If you are truly sick and tired of being sick and tired, you need to run and get this supplement. It's called the Replenish, and you need to go on the alkalignlifestyle.com, check out his page, check out his products, and you need to get everything on there. This is a 30-day formula infused with the best of the best herbs, Irish moss. It has a few other things in it. All natural, all organic. Also infused with 9 of solfeggios. I hope I'm saying it right. Frequencies. If you don't know what that is, you can go on his website. Like I said, the Alkalign Lifestyle School, and he explained all of it. But it's just frequencies infused in it, along combating with these herbs that will truly bring you some balance in your body. I was dealing with skin issues, I was dealing with kidney issues, and not to mention I'm also a herbalist, so I know for a fact this works. Like, I'm telling you, you need to go get this. I was having liver issues, and this is one of the things that I was taking that I truly felt results from, and I really felt my body just going back to, homeostasis. And one thing I really noticed, my skin cleared up. So it has burdock root in here, which, if you don't know, is a great blood purifier. It has nettle root, like I said, Irish moss, sarsaparilla, also a great blood purifier. And if you're looking to get a more iron in your body, go get it. He also has a product called Awaken, and you can combat that with this. And he also is having a sale right now, so that'd be great for you all to go get it at this time. Yeah, it's just, I really can't put into words on how I felt, but you need to go get it for yourself. You need to try it, because I'm not even kidding. I don't even do reviews. Like I said, this will really bring your body back to balance, and you will really feel it. So I need to run again. His website is called the Alkalign Lifestyle. He has so much information on his website. He's down to earth. He'll talk to you. He'll give you advice on how to heal. Go get it. Replenish. Like I said, the alkalignlifestyle.com.